guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to closer at 2024 BMW M2 exterior. The 2024 BMW M2 is a sharp and aggressive looking car. It has a wider track than the standard 2 Series, and its low-slung roofline and muscular haunches give it a distinctly performance-oriented stance. The kidney grille is larger and more angular than on the standard 2 Series, and the headlights are slimmer and more aggressive. The taillights are also new for 2024, and they feature a more three-dimensional design. Interior. The interior of the 2024 BMW M2 is a driver-focused space that's both sporty and luxurious. The M Sport seats are supportive and comfortable, and they're available in a variety of colors and materials. The steering wheel is thick and grippy, and it has M buttons that allow you to quickly adjust the car's driving settings. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, and it displays all of the information you need to know while you're driving. Bumper. The front bumper of the 2024 BMW M2 is large and aggressive, with large air intakes that help to cool the engine. The rear bumper is also new for 2024, and it features a diffuser that helps to improve downforce. Dashboard. The dashboard of the 2024 BMW M2 is clean and uncluttered, with a focus on functionality. The center stack houses the infotainment system, which is controlled by a rotary knob and touchscreen. The climate controls are located below the infotainment system, and they're easy to reach and use. Price. The 2024 BMW M2 starts at $63,245 for the base model. The M2 Competition starts at $74,845. Thanks for watching.